Yo, what's poppin', gang? It's your boy Q the Flu. Q, we back in the building, man. First video of 2020. You know what I'm saying? I know we damn near out of January, but I hope y'all like the rebranding. You know what I'm saying? We dropping it. If you notice, we got a little slight name change. New Instagram handles. New year, new me. For real, though. But, yo, first video of the new year. We got something special, man. I'm about to go to the local skateboard shop in St. Louis, Missouri, and pick up them P-Rod things, man. We gonna go ahead and slide through there. Of course, I'm gonna give y'all some B-roll. Give you a look around the shop, man, and we gonna come back and review them P-Rod things. Now, they're not in my size. A lot of times with, the smaller, situations, that size 13 be ancient, be missing out here. However, we did cop the size 9. So, if I can't find a trade or whatever, I might throw somebody to oop, man. Y'all go ahead, hit that comment section if y'all need this size 9, somebody out there. Maybe we can go ahead and bless y'all for retail, man. But, if always, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. Holla at your boy, man. Join the family. Let's get it. Let's go. All right, yo, so we made it out here at Infinity Skate Shop. About to go in here, check out the shop. Go ahead, pick these joints up. You know what I'm saying? Say what up. And then we gonna head back and get this review going. All right, bag secured. Premium quick strike. Nice. Get y'all a little B-roll experience, man. Though, it's a nice little simple shop, yo. That's how it's supposed to be. But we about to go ahead and get back to the lab, review the shoe. Be right back. Let's get it. All right, we back, man. Hope y'all enjoyed that B-roll. Like I said, back in the building. You know what this is. We didn't get that European box, that quick strike box that Nike SB are debuting this year. But we got the regular plain Jane, green box, which I don't think is a bad thing, especially when you consider the nostalgia purposes. One last go around, one last time. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get up close and personal with this thing. All right, so we got the Nike SB box, you know, the classic, you know, teal, Tiffany blue, you know, SB thing. Really quick, Nike Dunk High Premium Quick Stripe, and that white University red colorway. This is a size 9, no 13s, you know, so we had to do what we had to do. You know what I'm saying? Open it up, first look, bam, man. These things are beautiful. And the quality is every bit of what you expect. You know what I'm saying? Yo, red swoosh on the right foot, green swoosh on the left. P-Rod and the Mexican heritage. You know what I'm saying? My man wanted to, you know, if he wasn't skating, he would definitely be a boxer. You know, we got a lot of, you know, great Mexican boxers out there. Oscar De La Hoya, you know, my man Miguel Alvarez, Canelo Alvarez, my bad. And you know, many, many more, man. These things are absolute crack sauce. You know, that nice boxing glove, you know, piping, you know, going around that thing, or that might be satin. You can see the quality of the leather that they used up here, man, which is really, really nice. Nice little lace braids, world champ. You know what I'm saying? P, you know, R, you know what I'm saying, for the Rodriquez, representative of a championship belt. You know, but what is really nice about these guys is that if you look, you know, the tongue is a satin tongue, kind of similar to the boxing shorts the boxers wear, which I thought that is a nice touch. And then you got the satin lining all up and through that thing. That was really, really dope. Mexican flag outsoles, white premium leather everywhere, so you know, and it's soft and buttery too, so be careful with these as you're kind of traveling around in them, you know, and just really, really dope. One of those nice, simple, you know, classy SBs, but you know, definitely still makes the statement. And of course, you know, in today's world, we gotta have the multiple laces going on everyone. They only gave us green though. Yeah, no red laces, only green. You know, but you know, the piping is predominantly green. So that green is probably gonna look really, really nice with these guys. You know, and if you're not Mexican, you know, Gucci. There you go. You know, rock the Gucci. But yeah, these are really, really nice, man. Y'all let me know in the comment how y'all feel about them. Oh yeah, real quick, you know, cause I almost forgot. You know, these did come with the special Paul Rodriguez insoles. You know, Nike SB, you know, symbolizing, you know, my man's actual fist. Let me see if I can take this thing up out of there. Give me 1 second. Yeah, symbolizing my man's actual fist, and you know, the boxing wraps. You know, that was real cool, man. But look, yo, it's extra, you know, this little mini air bubble that Nike giving us is for the extra comfort back here, man, in the heel, yo. Now, you know, I've had a few SBs. Now, I'm not sure if I've ever really truly noticed this before, but if it is new, that's pretty decent. You know what I'm saying? But if you were wondering if you were gonna get that special insole, you know, even though we didn't get the special box, you would be correct. We are absolutely getting it. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's get it. And there you have it. Paul, the P-Rod, Nike SB things, man. Again, these are not my size. I would love to have my size. I think these things are goddamn fresh. You know what I'm saying? At first I wasn't gonna go for it, but I think I might actually go for these for myself, yo. It's gonna be an SB year for me, and not because of the Travis Scott hype. Your boy been rocking SBs for a long, nice little while. You know, cue a few pictures here and, you know, somewhere in the video. But these are a great start to the year. You know, I'm definitely looking for those Strange Love things, man, coming out. I'm hearing February the 7th, you know what I'm saying? So y'all be on the lookout for that. These are the P-Rods. It's your boy Q the Flu. We not doing that no more. It's your boy Q the Flu. Q, you know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe, you know the vibes. You already know how we rocking. As we proceed to give you what you need, it's Full Game TV. We out.
The Chicago.